The team, consisting of Nature Uganda, National Association of Professional Environmentalists, and spearheaded by Advocates Coalition for Development and Environment, has decided to take legal action and revamp some of the abandoned legal cases against the government of Uganda and Meta Group of companies. The activists who are considering litigation have planned to raise the Mabira Forest giveaway issue with the East African Legislative Assembly to make sure that the Ugandan government honors its commitments and obligations to the East African Community Treaty.
All the 5 East African community heads of state have signed on the environment, on the East African Community Treaty. They have signed on a number of protocols to protect the environment, and we expect them to hold each other accountable when an issue like Mabira comes up.
The members who are familiar with environment law state that, according to the 1998 Uganda Land Act, natural resources like forests cannot be alienated by way of sale or leasing and can only be dealt with using a license or a permit for sustainable development, neither of which were obtained in this case.
But there are conditions within the concession to make sure that the forest is not degraded. Now, when you degazette it and give it to Meta, you've essentially destroyed the reserve completely. So that's why degazettement is not allowed under our current law.
The group that promised to advocate for a boycott of Meta's sugar products if the government goes ahead with the giveaway also blamed the politicians for turning an alarming ecological crisis into a political crisis.
It is an issue that concerns everybody, not only religious or political, young or old.
It comes after the Mabira question has raised debate on both sides. Mabira Forest is Uganda's biggest natural tropical rainforest, which if degazetted will cease to be a host to unique birds, plant primate, butterflies and tree species. President Museveni appears increasingly committed to the controversial giveaway of degraded parts of the forest to the Meta Group for sugarcane planting. Craig Kadoda, NTV Tonight.